Yo,
what's up?
Today we got Beyblade X. We are unboxing Random Booster BX27. That is SPHINX COWL. We got that coming up.
Have fun with the bugs.
Right after this. Dude, what is up? What is up, guys? What is going on? What is going on, Bugs?
What's up?
Yo, today we have BX27. This is a 3-pack random booster set. First, big huge thank you to
Everwish.com,
who hooked us up with all these Beyblades that you see here. They sell 100% authentic Takara Tomy Beyblades, and we have a 10% off discount code in the description below. So you can get all your Beyblade X stuff like that you see in this video. Plus they have all the older series as well. So definitely check them out. Use the code, get some good deals on your Beyblades. Thanks, Everwish.com.
Yep.
So BX2701 will give you 3 new parts, where the other 2 give you the layer, which is new, but they give you parts that have already been in other bays, but we'll show you what they come with. So we will be battling it against one other Beyblade X. What Beyblade is this?
Dran Sword.
Yo, that is an attack bay, very good attack bay. So we wanted something really exciting. The 3 different bays that we're gonna get in this set, we're gonna have a stamina, we are gonna have a defense, and then we are going to also have
balance.
A balance. So let's show you what actually comes in this set, and then we're gonna get battling, which I know is your favorite part, dude. So this is BX2701, and this is the one that you will get all 3 new pieces in, and this is gonna be a defense type. So that is the layer, and the color will be different in all 3 of them. This is like a orangish one, right? So
yep.
That is the blade is SPHINX COWL. Our ratchet, we're gonna get 980, and our bit, we are getting gear needle. So this is the defense type of the bay. Then we're gonna have BX2702, which is giving us the blade, which is gonna be like a black and red, so darker color here. We are getting 480, and then we're getting high taper with this one. And this is coming in as a balance type. And then last but not least, and actually this is my favorite color combo of it, but actually I think this is actually the one with the most least resistance. So I think this is gonna be the easiest one to burst. But I do like the color combo that we're getting in this one. So this one is BX2703, and the blade we're getting obviously SPHINX COWL, which is the white with the blue, and I kind of like the color combo here.
Yeah.
Ratchet 560, and the bit is orb, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see this one actually burst. I felt like the other 2 are tighter. So this is the 3 different bays that you can get. Obviously you're gonna want, obviously I think you're gonna want the one with all 3 new parts, but great options for the other 2 as well. Let's see how good they actually battle. Bugs, are you gonna take the new bays, or are you gonna take the older bay?
I'm taking the older bay.
All right, let's do this. All right, here we go. We're gonna start out with the stamina one first. We're gonna do 4-point battles, right?
Yep.
4-point battles. All these bays, obviously right spin base. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! And the battle is off. Let's see if the attack bay will be able to outtake the stamina bay.
No.
No, there we go.
I didn't launch harder.
You didn't really get a hard shot on him, so we stayed together. So I'm
yeah,
up 1-0.
I kind of missed every single attack.
See if Dran Sword can do any better this round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, a lot of action.
I keep missing.
You just ran yourself into the pocket.
That's
2 points right there. So I am up 3-0. Wow, this might be an easy win for me right here.
I keep missing.
3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Oh, I didn't miss that
Some
time.
hard shots.
Yo, you're just taking it in, all the damage.
I am taking the damage. Impressive. I did not burst.
Nah, I'm off balance.
And I definitely think I'm gonna take this on the stamina.
Wait. No, that's me. That's definitely
There it is, there it is. There we go. So SPHINX COWL, white version, stamina type, takes the win. We are gonna come in with the darker version. This is the balance type. Let's see how it handles against Dran Sword. We have someone in the audience joining us. Welcome to the show, Max. You rooting for anyone here? I don't think he really cares who wins.
He said me.
You just stay there, chill. Hopefully no bays burst and come flying your way, dude. All right, here we go. That was an easy win for me. Let's see if we can do that again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Bro.
Oh, there's a hard shot. Throws me into the pocket. So
it's 2 points.
the Bugs is up 2-0. Man, it's so weird still, I think, ring outs being 2 points, man.
For real.
Over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Battle number 2. Oh, big hits, big shots, and
Bro.
still spinning.
Bro.
1-2. All right, Bugs up 2-1. 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Oh! Wait, did I just lose?
That is a 3-pointer. Congratulations. Another Sphinx.
Buddy, you barely even
Takes the
touched
win.
me. You barely touched me.
And now for the All-Star. Let's see if we can do this and go for a sweep.
What if I beat the like brand new Beyblade, but I can't beat the other ones? That'd be funny.
Let's see what happens, but that was an extreme finish, dude, by the way. So let's do this. All right, here it goes. Defense versus attack. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh!
Oh!
Kind of just rang myself out.
That's what I did before.
Kind of rang myself out, but that doesn't mean anything. Bugs goes up 2-0, but we saw what happened the last time, so let's see what happens here. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, you're going a little crazy there. I'm kind of chill.
Oh.
Big hits, big shots, almost an extreme finish, but not quite. Coming back in.
Come on.
Settling down in the middle.
No!
There we go. 1-2, 1-2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Oh my.
Going crazy, big hits, big shots.
Oh! Come on. Come on.
I'm taking the
Come
center.
on.
Bugs kidding me, some shots there.
Oh my god, dude.
What is that, 2
I
up?
hit you so like hard and then you just like,
That's 2 up,
nothing
right?
happens.
2 up, nothing happens. It's right, because I'm defense. 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 You ain't got enough attack to take on my defense, dude. It is 2 up and over finish. We'll win it for either one of us. So will an extreme, so will a burst.
Whew.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Bugs ripping hard. That's not always the best. Oh, and he lands the extreme finish.
I missed every shot but the last one.
He lands the extreme finish. Those are some good battles. Bugs finally able to take one in the end. Once again, big, huge thank you to everwish.com for hooking us up with these Beyblades. Definitely check them out. Bugs, good battling. Take us out, dude. Oh, guys, thumb up the video, subscribe. Now take us out, dude.
I basically won the video.
You basically didn't.
I basically did.
Peace.